Hey everybody, welcome to Gastronomic Research. This show is a culinary experiment where I show or I share what I know, which is not very much, but hopefully you get some value out of these videos and incorporate a technique or an ingredient shown in the video. Thanks for coming along on this food journey with me, and I hope you enjoy the video. Yes, I'm just chopping up this onion and a garlic. I clean it up. I use these old ramen bowls. Yeah, so I'm upcycling, we get creative, we're saving the environment and stuff. Um, we got an onion right here. I'm not even sure if this is going to be correct because there's a lot of lag on this voiceover. So, I mean, this is version 1. We got the wabi-sabi life, So wabi-sabi is like, it's like the art of imperfection for, it's like a Japanese term for, I think, interior design. Yeah, you kind of let the imperfections, imperfections shine and just make that look cool. Yeah, I've been on that wabi-sabi life a lot lately, just making stuff and seeing where it takes me. So yeah, I got the prepping this chicken. I like to keep it dry. I patted it down. Gonna cut it into basically what you would use like if you can pick it up with a chopstick, that's the size I'm going for. Not sure the exact dimensions of this chopped chicken. Maybe half an inch? Yeah, about half an inch. And you see that I'm using two different cutting boards. You don't want to get the cross-contamination between the vegetables and your meat. So they both cook at different temperatures, different times. Like the chicken's gonna take a little bit longer, but I'm gonna cook in batches because I have a pretty low BTU stovetop, so it's not like one of the Chinese restaurants where the fire is just very, very intense for a wok. So yeah, we're gonna cook these up in different stages. And that's like one of the biggest things when you're doing a stir fry. The meal or the prep is a really big important part in keeping a good flow, keeping things pretty fast, because stir fries can take a long time if you don't have everything ready. So it's very important to stay prepped. So I'm seasoning my my chicken. You got the soy sauce, the Shaoxing wine. Sorry if I'm butchering the pronunciation, but it's a Chinese cooking wine. Got the Ricewine Vinegar. If you got fish sauce, put that in there too. Just season it standard salt and pepper. Putting in some red hot chili flake, the Gochugaru, the Korean red hot chili pepper. And I think I add some of the cornstarch. Yeah. That stuff is really good for getting that like crusty, crispy parts for when you do the actual stir fry. So it's pretty important. But yeah, just mix it up and let it sit, let it marinate for a little bit. Okay, we're making our sauce. This is basically the same mixture that I used to create the chicken marinade, but we're gonna use this on the vegetables as well, and that's gonna give it the nice glossy and really nice, like shiny aesthetic to your food, to your stir fries. So this is crucial if you want to make a pretty tasty and aesthetically pleasing stir fry. So yeah, standard stuff: cornstarch, salt, pepper, soy sauce, fish sauce if you have it. Yeah, just play around with whatever you have in the pantry. Gonna get the wok heated up. Putting a thin layer of oil. Gonna get that steamy or smoky, I should say. We're gonna cook my onions first, get the aromatics in. Yeah, I like to season everything at every stage, so I'm going to be seasoning the aromatics, seasoning before. So throughout this video, we season before, during, and after cooking. So a little bit of salt with the marinade, with the soy sauce, with the chicken. And then during the cooking process, the salt like helps draw out some of the water. And yeah, so I added the harder, tougher parts of the Chinese spinach. So those are gonna cook first. Get a head start. Soften those up. getting those layers of seasoning on the food. It's always good, you know. You don't want to under-season your food, just have your food come out bland. It's not really the move, you know. Oh yeah, this is also this is the first video that I shot, and I didn't charge the batteries, so yeah, there's gonna be a camera change. I have to switch over to my phone towards the end of the video. But yeah, right here I just got a little bit of water, just to get everything excited again, you know. Get everything moving. Get everything grooving. Got a little steam action too. Yeah, so we're gonna add the sauce that we made earlier. Gonna add that at the end. Got the chicken going, the marinated chicken. We had to switch to self on camera, so looks pretty good. Finished product. Add some peanuts. Yeah, pretty tasty stuff. And hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.